Welcome back, guys. I'm fighting this zombie chain man. Just got the phone with my buddy William. I'm tired! God damn it, man. I can't. I got no stamina, man. Yes, it's realistic. Get out of my way. Fuck that. Don't get it then. Ain't for you. I like games like this. It gives me a challenge. Oh my goodness. Ooh! Ooh, I missed. Ah! Eee! Fuck. Yeah, so you level it up, man. You just gotta do all that. Leveling up and shit, but fuck. Ugh. I wanna see a body fall. Beans. Give me that green shit. No, don't give me that. Just get your ass up. Give me this goddamn bottle. Get that shit out of here. Let's try this shit again. Sticking really good. Nothing. Damn, I'm gonna be doing this shit. This is like my 10th time doing it. Alright. Right in your face. Alright, there's that. Wrong way. Oh, y'all! Woo! Come on, come get some. Oh! They chase me, boy! Ooh! Ooh! Bombs over Baghdad. Come on, motherfucker. Oh! That hurt you a little bit? Ooh! 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 Oh, he cut me! Oh, he stumbled a little bit. He stumbled. Bleeds! What?